Hello, EDUC 621, Denise and Erica and Catherine. Look, guys, it seems like I have not talked to you in forever. Okay, so let's do a couple things. This week, your job is going to be to use Screencast-O-Matic. That means you're going to go to Google and look for Screencast-O-Matic. You'll need to download it. And then once you download it, you'll be able to do what I'm doing right now, which is record what's on my screen. So you're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic and just use the basic version of the application. Don't pay for the application. Just download it and use the basics. That's what I always use. So that's the first thing you're going to do. After you do that, you're going to take a look at applications that can be used in the classroom. So I found a really cool site, and it has 20 applications that can be used in the classroom. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to allow you to choose 4 of the 20. So each person gets to choose 4. There's 20 here, so everybody can choose 4. We can't choose the same ones. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on the ones that you want to show, or pick the 4 that you want to do, and you're going to use Screencast-O-Matic to create a teaching video on how this particular application works. And then after you create the teaching video for how the application works, I'm going to have you send it to 3 elementary, middle, or high school teachers, whichever one you want to send it to. It's a learning video for them and letting them know that you're in a master's class and that you're going to be showing them how to use some school tools. If you don't find 4 on this list, we can always move to another list where you find something neat. I just think that it's cool for you to be able to just click on these right where they are. And there you can see them listed here. Those are the 20. So that's basically all you're going to be doing is you're going to choose 4 applications, and you're going to create a teaching video for how a teacher would use that particular application, and then you're going to be sending her your video. Now, once you're done with your video, you will click stop, and it will ask you if you would like to load it to Screencast-O-Matic or if you would like to load it to YouTube. I want you to load it to YouTube, make it public so you can share it with teachers. Okay, we're going to talk about this in class today. I hope you enjoy using Screencast-O-Matic. Thank you so much.